In this video, I'll show you how to create a cinematic split open transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. This transition splits the frame apart to reveal the next clip, making the scene change feel dramatic, dynamic, and cinematic. It works great for action videos, sports edits, dramatic reveals, and high energy content. Let's get started. First, place your two clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now, go to the effects panel, search for this transition and drag it between your clips. Once applied, select the transition and open effect controls. Here are the most important settings. Ease controls how smooth the animation starts and ends. Increase it for smoother motion. Decrease it for sharper movement. Stop controls how long the transition pauses during the split. Increase it for a longer hold. Decrease it for continuous motion. Drive controls how fast and strong the split movement feels. Increase it for more aggressive motion. Decrease it for a softer movement. Angle controls the direction of the split. Adjust it to change the opening direction. Push controls how far the clips move apart. Increase it for a more dramatic reveal. Decrease it for a subtle split. Zoom controls how much zoom is added during the transition. Increase it for more depth and impact. Decrease it for a flatter look. Motion blur controls how smooth the movement appears. Increase it for smoother motion blur. Decrease it for a sharper look. Use a shorter duration for a quick aggressive split. Use a longer duration for a smoother cinematic reveal. For best results, sync the transition with a beat hit or impact sound. And that's it. That's how you create a cinematic split open transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.